Good afternoon, everyone. I am one of the people who participated in the End Bad Governance protest. And we saw what really transpired. And we've learned our lessons. We were protesting not because we know that Nigeria is going to change, but we were protesting because we want to make statements so that posterity will judge us that at the time of injustice that we spoke out. Now, I was, watching the video and the clips, both the photo from the court premises where the End Bad Governance protesters were arraigned. Now, remember that some of them were arraigned for treasonable felony before, for just protesting. The court, the police, the illegal APC government, they did not realize that protest is a fundamental human right. But I'm not surprised because the country we are living, everything is all about falsehood. Now, what pains me most is when you look at these people in the courtroom that they have arraigned for terrorism because they are protesting. They are 13 years old, 12 years old, 14 years old, 15 years old. These are underage. What is their crime? And now listen to me. Their crime is that politicians looted the money that belongs to them. They were born and brought up from a community that has oil, that has gold, that has things. But these people never benefited from the blessings of God, from their land, from their natural resources. And they went to the street to say, we are not supposed to be living like this. Only thing they could see is to see themselves behind the bar. And one illegal government is charging them for treasonable felony. And they are charging them for terrorism just for protesting. And when you look back in history, the same government calls for revolution. The same government protested against Goodluck Jonathan. The same government carried coffin and said Jonathan and PDP is dead. The same government did all sorts of things against the government of yesterday. What changes? But I'm not surprised. I am feeling bad emotionally because of what the people are going through. I wish I am the one going through what they are going through, not them. Because it's not everyone that has heart to endure pain. Someone like me, in jail, in prison, in freedom, what I believe is what I believe. I don't care what happens to me. What I care is that the truth must be told. And it is reality to understand that Nigeria will never walk again. There is no reason, there is no evidence to prove that Nigeria will become better tomorrow. I have seen time without number from 1999 to today. I have seen retrogression. Every day Nigeria is going from, bad to worst. Every now and then we are seeing things that we've never seen before. Naira keep on depreciating, insecurity keep on increasing, corruption keep on increasing, EFCC keep on becoming weak, rigging of election, is rampant and is gaining strength and momentum. Policemen and the military men are colluding more and more, enjoining the terrorists to wipe away the people, according to T.Y. Danjuma, and so on and so forth. And people are protesting, and you see they arraign them, they charge them. And now, you see, we learn every day. I am sorry to disappoint so many people who always think that Nigeria is going to become better tomorrow. It's a sad reality. It is a sad reality and unfortunate thing to have faith that Nigeria is going to work tomorrow. It is a very sad reality for people to believe that Nigeria is a country that anybody born of woman can change. No. Nobody born of woman can change Nigeria. Write it on your wall. I am Okocha Marcel, and today is the first day of November 2024. Nobody born of woman can change Nigeria. People have come to try to change Nigeria, they die. Tell me how many people can fight what Gani, all those lawyers in the olden days, they fought. The fella, the popular fella that you know, he fought through his music, he fought through protests, he fought through outspoken, they killed him. A lot of people spoke, they fought in the time past. Let me tell you, any country that is going to change will not take stress to change. We have fought war in this country. We have signed Aburi Accord. People who disobey and did not keep the accord, they are still walking all around today. Someone from Boko Haram is still moving up and down today. Boko Haram that has claimed almost 10,000 lives at minimum. Not the statistics that they don't know. The person who formed the Boko Haram is still walking up and down today. People who aided the Boko Haram are in the office. They are in the highest office in Nigeria today. People who sponsor Boko Haram in Zamfara and other part of the states, they are ministers today. Look at what they have done to people in Nigeria. Look at what they have done. It's so unfortunate. It's so unfortunate. It's so unfortunate. You know, it pains me a lot when I saw that these people were arraigned just because they were protesting. There is no hope for this country. Absolutely, there is no hope for this country. And when I mean there is no hope for this country. Then the question is, what are we going to do? What we are going to do is that we only have one option. Nigeria was not like this before the amalgamation. And so therefore, Nigeria should be divided. The amalgamation of 1914 supposed to reorganize and redebated in 2014. But anytime someone assumes office and the person is embezzling money, having that cash, anything that will make him to stop his office, he will disengage it. He will never make sure that it's going to happen. You see why so many politicians stand against Biafra agitation or dual agitation and so on and so forth. It's not because of the people. It's because of the selfish reason. They knew that if they continue to do these things, that it's not going to work. That if they divide this country, they are not going to make that illegal money they are making any longer. But you know what? Destiny could be delayed, but it cannot be denied. So anything that people feels that is not happening today, or, you know, all these politicians that think that they are above the law, doing all sorts of things against the people to make sure that, oh, when we are in this underage, people who are supposed to protest will not protest again. No problem. People will start sitting at home. There are so many things that are in my mind to discuss, but it's so unfortunate. It's so unfortunate that we have find ourselves in this situation.
Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry, don't cry, yeah, man. Don't cry. Anytime I say I'm going, I can see no one cry. Anytime I say I wanna go, I can tell you gonna cry. Thinking of the lonely nights when I'm not there. Thinking of the lonely days when I'm gone.